No way. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why less strength today? Why less strength? Okay, so yesterday I think so we was doing the long problems. In the long problems, I asked you to do the first, second, and third. You have completed the three entries?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Three also.
No,
Yes.
ma'am. We have done till second.
Why not third?
Third
We
also
have done
completed,
third
ma'am.
and third also completed. We have to start from fourth.
Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have
Ma'am,
done.
in second question.
Let me speak first. So you have done, but whether it is right or wrong, you don't know. No, just once I will tell the answers. You check whether it is right or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So coming to the first one. Coming to the first one. July 1st, the entry will be cash account attached to capital account. In the same, it will be bank account attached to cash account. Coming to the 2nd
Yes.
July, the entry is machinery account attached to A account. Coming to the 5th July, the entry is furniture account attached to B account. Sorry, furniture account
Cash.
attached to cash account. Then coming to the 10th July, the entry is Y account attached to sales account. Coming to the 11th one, 11th July, the entry is sales return account attached to Y account. The
Yes,
next
ma'am.
coming to the 12th one, 12th is nothing but cash account attached to sales account. Coming to the 8th one, cash account attached to Y account. 28, advertisement expenses account attached to cash account. 30th, stationery account attached to cash account. 31, rent account attached to cash account. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now second one. Coming to second one, cash account attached to capital account. 3rd April, bank account attached to cash account. 4th April, purchase account attached to cash account. 7th April, cash account attached to bank account. 8th April, purchase account attached to Kiran account. 15th April, cash account attached, discount allowed account attached to Krishna account.
Kiran
Cash
account.
account,
Yes,
Krishna,
ma'am. Ma'am, entry.
see 15th April, the entry is cash account data, discount allowed account data to Krishna account, cash account 20,800, discount allowed 200 to Krishna account 21,000. Coming to the 19th April, paid to Kiran discount received for that entry is we are paying here. So Kiran account data to cash account to discount received account. Kiran
Ma'am,
account
one second,
40.
ma'am. This 15th one, na, ma'am, discount allowed means I am allowing discount to Krishna. So I am using 200, na.
Yeah. So
When
when we
I'm
are
using
allowing, listen,
cash is going.
when we are allowing the discount, it is an expense for us, no? When we are allowing the discount, it is an expense for the business. So as per the rule of the nominal account, we have to debit the expenses.
But ma'am, if we see this in this way, like cash is going from me means I am for example, it means like I am paying him na 200
You are
in that.
no, you are not paying, ma. What they have given here received from Krishna. From Krishna, we are receiving the amount. Actually, we have to receive 21,000, but means I'm assuming and telling that he is making the early payment. That's why what the business people they are doing, they are allowing him discount.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, discount allowed will be in assets and I mean in debtors, and discount received also
Credit.
credit. Okay.
Yeah.
Model.
So
Thank you,
coming to the
ma'am.
19th one, coming to the 19th one, paid to Kiran, they have given no. So entry will be Kiran account data to cash account to discount received account. Kiran account 42,000, cash account 41,700, discount received is 300. The next 25th April is purchase account data to cash account. 28th is rent account data to cash account. 30th is salaries account data to bank account. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this again?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now third one. How many of you done the third one? Raise your hand once. Quick, girls. Don't waste the time. Third one. Quick. So only 14 girls have done out of 58 girls. Right now, Right now the strength is 57. 58 also not there. 57 is there. Out of that, only 14 girls have done. So I think so 25% girls also have not done. So those who have not done the third one, I'm giving as a homework. Right now we'll do the fourth one. Okay. Now fourth one, you see, pass the journal entries. They did not mention any name, anything in the question. Just they have given the pass the journal entries. So in the year column, you write the year 2013, date January 1st, written.
Yes.
So coming to the first one, they have given that Mr. Narendra commenced business with a cash of rupees 1 lakh. What will be the entry?
Cash account data to capital account.
Cash to
Cash
capital
to-
account.
Because we don't know
I didn't get. I didn't get. Again, you tell me. Cash account data to
Capital account.
Capital account.
Narendra's
Narendra's
capital account.
capital account.
Narendra capital.
Write down. Finished.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is next date narrations. I'm not telling why, because as you know that how to write the narrations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why narrations I'm not giving. Amount column 1 lakh you have written.
Yes.
The next date is 2nd January. January 2nd. In that transaction, they have given that opened bank account by depositing. They are opening the bank account by depositing the amount. So when we are depositing, cash is going.
Bank account data to cash account.
Account data to cash account.
Write down. Write down. Bank account data to cash account. Amount 50,000.
Yes,
Amount 50,000. Then coming to January 3rd. Transaction is purchase machinery by check. They are purchasing the machinery by
machinery account data to bank account.
Machinery account data to bank
Data to
account.
bank account.
Write down machinery account data to bank account. Finished? The next is machinery installation expenses paid in cash.
Machinery account
Machinery
data to cash
installation
account.
Machinery installation expenses account data to cash account.
Cash account.
Write down machinery installation expenses account data to cash account. Amount 5,000. Amount 5,000. The next is goods purchased from Jane, 10th January. Goods purchased from Jane. What will be the entry?
Purchase account
Purchase
data to
account
cash account.
data to Jan account.
Write down. Amount is 18,000. Amount 80,000. The next is cash sales.
Cash account data to sales.
15th January.
Cash to
date
sales.
column. Yeah, date column. Write down 15th January. Entry is cash account data to sales account. Amount is 8,000. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
The next is goods withdrawn by Narendra.
Drawings account data to cash account.
1 minute.
Purchase return account data to
1 minute.
account data to bank account.
Let me speak. As you can see the first sentence. As you can see the first sentence. Mr. Narendra commenced business with the cash they have given. It means that Narendra is the owner of the business. Here owner is withdrawing the goods for his personal use. Here owner is withdrawing. So when owner
It's
is
drawing.
withdrawing, nothing but the drawing.
Drawings.
So whenever drawings will be there, what we have to do? We have to debit or credit?
Debit.
We have to debit the drawings. And what he is taking from the business? Goods he's
Cash.
taking. He is taking goods, not cash.
Oh, sorry, goods.
So when he is taking the goods, what we have to credit?
Good.
Purchase.
Purchase.
Instead of goods, we have to write the purchase. So entry will be drawings account data to purchase account. Drawings account data to purchase account. Amount 2,500.
So, ma'am, if Narendra is the owner, so in first entry, we should write the cash account data to capital account, no? We
No,
can't write
no,
Narendra's
ma. Why we are writing the Narendra name? Because in the question they have not given no that we are writing the journal entries in the books of Narendra. They didn't give no, just they have given that journal entries, right?
Yes.
For the remaining questions, they have given the mention the name of the person, right?
Yes.
That's why here we are mentioning. Over.
Yes.
Yes,
The next
ma'am.
25th January, sales to Nathan.
Debit the receiver. Nathan
Nathan account data to sales account.
Right. Nathan account data to sales account. Amount 3,000. Finished.
Yes.
Next 27th January, they have given that received rupees 2,900 from Nathan after allowing discount. As you can see, the 25th January transaction, when they are doing the sales to Nathan, the amount is 3,000, right?
Yes.
How much they are receiving from Nathan? They are receiving only 2,900.
900. So 100 is
100 is
discount allowed.
Entry will be cash account
Cash account
data,
data,
discount
discount
allowed
allowed account data, Nathan account.
Nathan account.
cash account 2,900, discount 100, Nathan account 3,000.
Yes, ma'am.
31st January, next transaction is 31st January, salary to the manager, Mr. Mohan, paid by check.
Salary account
account
data
data
to bank account.
Good. Salary account data to bank account. Salary to bank amount is 4,000.
Ma'am,
Yes.
once repeat 27th.
27th one, cash account data 2,900, discount allowed account data 100, to Nathan account 3,000.
Okay, ma'am.
Finished this one?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now fifth one, I'm giving 5 minutes to you. Complete this. Then I'll tell the answer. Fast. Finished?
No, ma'am, just a second.
Everyone finished, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma. I'll tell the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
once you check whether it is right or wrong. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So coming to the fifth one, journalize the following transactions in the books of Rohit. So you have written, I think, so journal entries in the books of Rohit. So coming to the 1st January, the entry is cash account attached to capital account.
Yes.
Yes.
Coming to the second entry is bank account attached to cash account.
Yes.
3rd January, the entry is machinery account attached
Machinery
to
account to
bank.
bank account.
Coming to the 4th entry, what is the 4th
Cash
entry?
account
Cash
attached
account
to
attached to
commission
Cash
account.
commission receipt account.
Good. Everyone written like this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash to commission received. Coming to the 5th one, what is the
Salary
5th entry?
account attached to
Salary
cash
account
account.
attached to
Arjun account.
What?
Arjun
Salary
account.
account attached to cash account.
Many times I said whenever the paid word will be there, you have to credit the cash. So your entry will come as salary account attached to cash. Here Arun will not come. The name will not come here.
Yes.
The entry will be salary account attached to cash account. Coming to 6th January, what is the entry?
Rent account attached
Account
to
attached to cash account.
Cash account.
Rent account attached to cash. The next one is goods sold on credit.
sales account attached to bank
Account
account.
attached to
Huh?
purchase account.
Sales account attached to bank account.
Wrong.
Cash
To
account
sales.
attached to
Bank
purchase
account
account.
attached to sales account, ma'am.
Why bank account you will take here? Here clearly they have mentioned that they are selling the goods on credit basis. Credit basis means they are not receiving the cash and they are not receiving the check, no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
When they are not receiving the cash and when they are not receiving the bank, why you will debit or credit the cash or bank here? Yes or no?
Purchase account attached to sales
Why
account.
purchases यानी कि खरीदना, sales यानी कि बेचना, दो एक जगह कैसा आता? How it will come together?
The goods which we have purchased, we are selling
This
it.
transaction.
This transaction should not be
they have,
recorded.
why not recorded? Just they have given that goods sold on credit. Here the name of the person is missing. That's it. They have mentioned here that they are selling the goods on the credit basis, but to whom they sold, the name of the person they have not given. So to whom the person, those who has to give the money to the business, that person is called as
Creditor.
creditor.
Data.
Data or creditor?
Debtor.
Ma'am, once you repeat the question.
Data, ma'am. Data.
Goods sold on credit. On credit basis, we are selling the goods.
Yes.
It is nothing but debtor. So your entry will come as debtor account attached to sales account. Here the name of the person is missing. That's why we are writing it as a debtor. Debtor account attached to sales account.
Ma'am, I didn't got this entry.
सीमा they have given that goods sold on credit यानी कि अपन goods यहाँ पे उधार पे बेच रहे, लेकिन किसको बेच रहे? They have not mentioned the name of the person, right? Suppose if the name of the person they have mentioned, suppose you take that example as A, goods sold on credit to A. So what you will write the entry as? A account attached to sales account, right? But
Yes,
here the name of the person is missing. So the person to whom we have to receive the amount, that person is called as a debtor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why what we are doing here, debtor account we are debiting and sales account we are crediting.
Yes, ma'am.
Debtor account debtor to sales account.
Sales account.
The next,
Purchase account attached to
Purchase account attached to Nitin account.
next,
Nitin account attached to purchase returns
Purchase
account.
returns account.
next,
Sales returns account data to
debtor account. Why cash will come?
Debtors account.
Okay. Done,
We need to
everyone?
debit the sales returns.
Ma'am,
no, ma'am?
last one.
Last one is sales return account debtor to debtor account. Okay.
Yes.
So the sixth one I'm giving as a homework, ma. Right now we'll do the seventh one. Okay.
Okay.
So seventh one, you have drawn the format. Are you ready with the formats?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Just a second.
Now see first one. Manohar commenced business with rupees 1,50,000. What is the entry?
Cash account
Cash
debtor
account debtor to Manohar capital account.
Capital
Write
account.
down. Write down. Finished?
Yes.
The next same date they have given that first November 1st purchased machinery. The entry will be
Purchase machinery account debtor to cash
Cash
account.
account to cash account.
machinery account debtor to cash account. Amount 40,000.
Ma'am, we can't write the compound
Compound
entry
entry.
You can, ma. You can.
because in second case cash is crediting. No, in first
No,
case
ma'am, we
cash is
can't write,
debiting.
I think. Because cash is in debit side and another in credit side.
Yeah. Clearly, they have mentioned that purchase they have given. Suppose if they will give that Manohar commenced business with cash 1,50,000, machinery 40,000 means we can write the compound entry. But clearly, they have mentioned that they are purchasing the machinery. Purchase is different and commencing is different. So don't write the compound entry. The separate entry only you should write for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Finished.
Yes.
The next 2nd November 2, purchase furniture from Godrej and Company.
Furniture account debtor to
cash account.
Godrej
Godrej
account.
To
They did not
Godrej
mention here,
account.
no, they did not mention no, that we are receiving the cash here. They have mentioned clearly that we are purchasing the machinery furniture from Godrej and Company. So the entry will be furniture to Godrej and Company account.
Ma'am, if they are not mentioning that through cash, it means it is a credit transaction.
No. Suppose if the name of the person is there and cash is not mentioned, then we should assume it as a credit transaction.
Okay.
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 So
The next
furniture
is
account debtor to
Godrej
Godrej
Company.
Purchase goods.
Purchase account debtor to
Debit what?
cash account.
The next date is 6th, November 6th.
Purchase account debtor to cash account.
Good.
Debtors
Purchase goods they
account
have given.
debtor to
Cash account.
purchase account.
Purchase account debtor to cash account.
We are
Debtor
purchasing, so
account
goods are
debtor.
coming to, why debtor account you will take here? We are purchasing the goods. When we are purchasing the goods are coming to us. So instead of debiting the goods account, we are debiting your purchase account.
Goods
So
purchase.
purchase account debtor to cash account. Now just now somebody asked me, no, that whenever the cash is not there means we should assume it as a credit transaction, right?
Yes.
So here, as you can see, the second transaction and the sixth transaction. In the second transaction, they have given that purchase furniture from Godrej and Company. The name of the person or the name of the company they have given. That's we are creating it as, we are making it as a credit transaction. But coming to sixth one, just they have given purchased goods. Here they did not mention that we are purchasing on the credit basis. So in the absence of that information, every time you should assume that it is a cash purchase only. That's why for that entry will come as purchase account debtor to cash account.
Okay.
The next date, 8th.
Cash account debtor to
Purchase account debtor to Krishna
Goods
Mohan.
Krishna Mohan account.
Krishna Mohan. So entry will be purchase account debtor to
to
Krishna
Krishna
Mohan.
Mohan.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
The next is sold goods for cash.
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Sales
Good.
account.
Write down. Cash to sales.
12th.
The next is purchased stationery.
Stationery account debtor to cash account.
Write down. Stationery account debtor to cash account, amount 150. Amount 150. The next is cash deposited into bank.
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Write down.
Bank account debtor to cash account.
The next 21st one, issued check to Godrej and Company rupees 14,950 in full settlement.
Godrej and Company
Godrej
account
account.
debtor to bank account.
Discount allowed.
See here properly, you see, actually, as you can see the transaction second one, right? Second transaction, what they have given, purchase furniture from Godrej and Company 15,000. Okay.
Yes.
So to the Godrej and
50
Company,
rupees.
the business people, they have to give 15,000. But how much rupees check they are giving here? 14,950.
14,950.
They are
50 rupees
remaining
is discount is
50 rupees
allowed.
remaining 50 rupees is
Discount
discount.
allowed.
allowed.
We are issuing the check. When we are issuing the check,
We are
who is
allowing.
receiving here? We are allowing to him. We are allowing. He is allowing to us. We are purchasing
Discount
to
received.
Godrej and Company. We are receiving the discount here. When we
Godrej
are
company account data to cash account to
Godrej Company account data to bank account, because we are issuing the check here, right? So Godrej and Company account
Can
data
we
to
write
bank account to discount received account.
Ma'am, repeat it.
Godrej and Company account data to bank account to discount received account.
To bank account.
Bank account 14,950, discount received 50. Godrej and Company 15,000.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once?
Godrej and Company account data 15,000 to bank account 14,950 to discount received 50. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
The next is goods withdrawn for personal use.
to cash account.
Drawings
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 account data to
account
purchase
data to
account.
Drawings to purchase, because he is withdrawing here goods, not cash.
drawings account data to
Purchase account. Next, cash withdrawn from bank.
cash account data to
Cash
bank
account
account.
data to bank account.
Okay.
bank account data to cash account.
No, we are
Cash
withdrawing
to
the cash.
bank.
Cash is coming. Cash to bank.
Acha. Banker is giver.
Yeah. The next is paid salaries.
Salaries account
account
data
data
to
to
cash
cash
account.
Salaries to cash. Finished?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. You have completed 7th one. No, just try the 8th one till that time. I'll take the attendance. Okay. So the girls from
Okay.
Malakpet, raise your hand. Quick, girls.
Shalibanda girls, lower your hands.
Shalibanda girls, lower your hands. No, sorry, Malakpet girls, lower your hands. No, Malakpet girls, raise your, sorry. Shalibanda girls, raise your hand. Shalibanda girls, raise your hand. Yes, quick girls, Shalibanda. Okay, down your hands.
To Mahavir. Discount.
Eighth we have to do, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, much time I've given. I'll not give the much time now. I said that till I take the attendance, you should do. Now time over. That one I'm giving as a homework. Now, right now I'm showing the 9th one.
Okay.
Okay. 9th one, you see, journalize the following transactions. Coming to the first one. First one is Pramod commenced business with rupees 45,000. What is the entry?
Cash account data to promote capital account.
Write down. Write down.
Which one we are doing now?
9th one.
Ma'am, the next is corporation
Cash.
bank account return to cash.
Bank
Cash.
account data to cash account.
Here they have mentioned the name of the bank. No, that's why you take it as a corporation bank account retired to cash account.
Ma'am, please repeat it once.
Corporation bank account retired to cash account. Return amount 20,000.
Yes, ma'am.
The next date is 6th December. Goods purchased for cash. The entry will
Purchase
be
account data to cash account.
write down. Write down. Finished?
For cash. Yes, ma'am.
The next goods sold to Gopi for cash.
Cash account
Sales to
data
cash.
Data to cash
Sales
account.
account.
Gopi account
Cash
data
account.
to cash account.
No. Cash account data to sales account.
Be remember one thing, whenever the name of the person and cash they will give. Means whenever it is a purchase or sales, every time you have to take consideration only the cash, not the name of the person. Right? So when we are selling the goods through Gopi, we are receiving the cash. Cash is coming to the business. That's why cash account we have to debit and sales account you have to credit. Cash to sales. Cash to sales.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash account retired to sales account.
This furniture. I check.
Next is purchase furniture by check.
Furniture account data to bank account.
Write down. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is borrowed rupees 2,000 from Narahari.
Cash account
data
data to Narahari account.
When we are borrowing, it is called as a loan, no?
Loan. Yes.
Cash
So
account data
cash
to
account
Narahari loan account.
Loan account.
We need to consider cash, ma'am.
Yeah, because we are receiving the cash, no? When we are borrowing, we are
Cash
getting
account
cash.
data
No?
to
Cash is coming to the business. So entry will be cash account retired to Narahari's loan account.
Narahari loan account.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is commission received from Hari.
Cash
Hari account data to commission received
Commission
account.
received
account.
Yes.
Not ma'am.
To commission receive, ma'am. Hari to commission receive.
Cash
to
account
commission
data to
received.
commission received account.
Ma'am, here name is given, no?
What I said you, whenever the name we given, but then also the name we should not consider, just we should see that in which form we are receiving or paying the amount.
Cash commission received. So entry will be
Cash to commission.
Ma'am, the 24th.
purchase account data to bank account. Discount received account. Ma'am, 24th.
Yes, girls, I am audible now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Due to some technical problem, I got disconnected. Okay, ma. Till which one we have done?
22nd.
22nd.
22nd over, no? Now 24th one. Purchase goods from Krishna 2000, trade discount 2%.
Purchase
Purchase account data
Krishna
to
account
to
Krishna
Krishna
account
trade
account
discount account.
1960 to discount received 40.
We remember one thing, whenever trade discount they will mention. Whenever
Okay.
trade discount they will mention, you should not write their discount. You should not write only. Just in the amount you have to show the deduction. But for that, no need to write any entry. Okay?
Okay.
So coming to this, they have given that purchase goods from Krishna. Just you should write the entry as purchase account data to Krishna.
Yeah.
Entry will come as purchase account data to Krishna account.
So, ma'am,
And
we
coming
are
to the amount, amount I'll
getting
tell.
40 rupees.
So 2000 into 2% you should do. So amount, I think so it is coming 40.
40 rupees,
Okay.
yes.
So 2000 minus 20 will be how much? Sorry,
1980.
960.
60.
60.
Yeah.
So that amount you
40.
should write. Purchase account 1960, Krishna account 1960.
So in purchase account also we need not
Same.
to write 2000.
2000 you should not write. Anywhere you should not show the 2000. Directly you should write the amount as 1960.
If trade is given.
Trade discount if they given, no, that time.
So the ma'am narration will be being
Mm.
purchase is made
Purchased from
You should
Krishna.
write
trade
being
discount.
goods purchased from Krishna and trade discount, allowed trade discount 2%.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we have to mention this also.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once?
They have given that they are purchasing the goods from Krishna and trade discount is 2%, right?
Yeah.
So when we are purchasing the goods from trade discount, anywhere should not show the entry. So you are writing the entry as purchase account data to Krishna. So when we are taking out in the discount on 2000, the amount is coming as 40. So 2000 minus 40, when we are doing, the amount is coming as 1960. So purchase account data 1960, Krishna account 1960.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. The next is cash withdrawn from bank for office use.
Cash account data to
Cash
bank.
account data to
Data
bank
to bank
account.
account.
Write down.
Ma'am, if office use cash, if personal use drawings.
Huh.
Next entry.
Next one, you see, they have given that goods distributed as free samples. They are distributing the goods as
Samples
free
account
samples.
data to purchase account.
See, like that also you can write. Otherwise, see, generally why they will distribute as a free sample.
For donation or charity.
It is
Advertising.
nothing but it is a type of advertisement, right?
Yes.
So there you have to write the entry as advertisement account attached to purchase account because goods are going, no? So we should write the entry as advertisement account attached to purchase account.
Data to purchase account.
Purchase account.
Why purchase account, ma'am?
Why? Because goods are going from the business, right?
Whenever
When we are
goods are
distributing
there,
here,
we
we
need
should
to
take that as purchase.
Purchase.
Whenever it's going, we should take purchase.
Yeah.
Goods.
When goods are going. Yeah. Finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The next
Paid
is
for
goods.
charities. Charity account data.
Charity account data to cash account.
Cash account.
In 27th narration.
27 Naresh, being goods distributed as free samples.
Paid office manager salary to JRM.
Salary account data to
Salary account data to cash.
Ma'am, office manager salary account we should write or
No, only
salary?
salary account. Only
To
salary.
cash.
Salary account
Salary
attached to cash account.
cash account. Ma'am,
अदीबा कुछ डाउट है?
वो in 8th one on date 30 salary due to clerk. What is the transaction?
Some salary to check.
Due to clerk.
Means it's paying to clerk.
Okay.
क्वेश्चन कौन सा है डियर?
8th one 30th date.
Paid rent by check.
No, on the dat.
Salary due to clerk.
No, same salary to check, I think. Because we are paying to clerk. Nothing new.
No,
Yes, salary to
Salary is due.
they are just confusing us.
Salary account data to
Cash account.
I think.
Cash account.
Because due to clerk. Yeah. Salary to cash only.
Yes, girl, some discussion is going on.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
8th
at
question.
8th one
30th date.
on 30th.
Okay, salary due
Salary
to.
due to.
So salary is due here. So whatever the due will be there, what will this called?
Outstanding salaries.
It is nothing but a adjustment entry. So for the adjustment entry for this is nothing but salary account attached to outstanding salary account.
So due means outstanding, ma'am.
Yeah, due means outstanding.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
here, ma'am,
Yes. Still any doubt in the eighth one?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Right now we have to do the 10th one. But time is not there for doing the 10th one. Tomorrow I'll show. But as you know, tomorrow is a Sunday, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever entries we have written for that, complete the narrations. Neatly you have to maintain the notes. On Monday, I'm going to take the test in one answer. That is nothing but meaning of accounting, meaning of bookkeeping, and objectives of accounting. 3 also short.
Meaning of accounting, bookkeeping, and
Bookkeeping,
objectives of.
objectives of accounting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
ma'am,
And sixth and eighth one is for homework.
Yeah.
ma'am, in eighth question, that's fifth entry. Brown
One
goods
minute.
from
One
Mahavir.
minute. Eighth one, fifth transaction. Huh.
Yeah.
What
About
goods?
goods from Mahavir, 1,01,500.
Hmm.
So the entry is purchase account data to Mahavir.
Right.
Finished. Then
Hmm.
on 12th, paid cash to Mahavir 990 and
Yeah.
discount received is 10. So total we need to pay 1,500, no?
Actually,
Why
it is
we
a
are
printing.
saying
Yeah,
1,000?
listen. Actually, it is a printing mistake. Bought goods from Mahavir, the amount should come as 1,000. It's not 1,500. It's 1,000.
So the compound entry will be Mahavir account data 990 to cash account 990 to discount
Mahavir-
received account
Mahavir can 1,000
Mahavir 1,000 to cash 990. Discount
and to
received
discount
10.
receive 10
10.
rupees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So up to 9th problem, you complete and keep. And on Monday, I'm going to take the test.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
This,
ma'am.
you know, this is the short answers only, no? So I'll take the oral test.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's no Arabic class now.
There is not a big class and bomb class today.
Okay, so this was the last class.
Yes.